Valley Forest Park with Mark Stone. There's a couple of squirrels down there. I have a kangaroo, wasn't there? And one squirrel came up there, went back down, ran off. And another squirrel, it was sat there. And he climbed up and if you hear from where you hear something coming up, it went back down. Yeah, that was the first one what came up and ran down and ran off. But the one what came and went up, ate something, hanging down from it. And then and then it's just, yeah. I got all sorts here, I got magpie trees, we got robin down there, got grey tit there, green tit. He just fell into the camera. Yeah. And it was amazing how it come. There's a magpie again. I've just been standing here just for about half an hour. Tried to wait for a squirrel that I know called Nugget. He used to be one of my mates and it died. He died. I mean the owner. Yeah. I keep the camera there again, I'm going to put it set up again. And see what happens. Just what we're doing now. I just sat here, patience. One there. There's two up there. Two squirrels up there. See what this one does. There's another squirrel. There's the big one. And one is just in there. Just thinking about is the camera still there or not. Thinking is the camera still there or not. But there you go. There's the one. Baby ones there, I think. Sparrow. I'll keep the video going for like a while longer. So that squirrel's around here, and there, across there. Right guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now.